store-bought slime. So I just did a video like this where I added slime ingredients, so that means like shaving cream stuff, to these slimes, and it actually didn't turn out too bad, so you should definitely watch that. But anyways, today I'm gonna add way too much ingredients to it and see what happens. And that is it. Let's get straight on into the video. Alright guys, so first thing I'm gonna do is this one. This is a fuchsia slime. So here it is. It's one of my favorites. Well, these are all actually my favorites. Let's just put that there. Look at how nice. It's so like, it's like half clear, half not clear. And it's very pretty. The color is amazing. So yeah. Alright, so now the first thing we're gonna do is just a nice basic foam soap. We're gonna see what happens. I don't know what happened with my other one. Usually I put like this much foam soap, right? I actually put like way too much in general, you know? But, so I'm gonna put this much. That's a lot. Okay, alright, let's mix this. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen, guys? What is gonna happen? Is it gonna turn fluffy? Is it just gonna completely melt? Is it gonna harden? I don't think it's gonna harden because it seems pretty soft right now. It's kind of like it's turning really fluffy. Did I make a clear fluffy slime, guys? Okay, I think we're almost done. Alright guys, so I'm finally done putting all the foam soap into the slime. So it is pretty sticky, like it's staying all over my hands, and it's like the cringiest ASMR. I can't get it off my hands. Let me see if I just take it all off. It stays on there, like whenever I... Alright guys, so I activated it. I think this is the most I can do. It's still kind of sticking onto my hands, but whatever. Alright guys, so basically it's just like really fluffy. And I can't wait for this to clear up. Alright, well that is what happened to this slime. Let's get on to the next one. Next one, you guys, is this one. This is neon orange slime. This is like another one of my favorites. I really like this one. Boop. Look at how beautiful neon is. It's like a cup of orange juice with unicorn in it. Alright guys, next one is shaving cream. I love shaving cream so much. So usually I put like that much, but now we're gonna put this much. There we go. Yes, yes. More. More. Even more. Yes. Yes. Alright, I think that's a pretty good amount. So let's go ahead and add this. Oh, that looks so cool like that. Is this even slime anymore? Did I add too much? Alright, I'm almost done, guys. This thing literally has turned into just shaving cream, guys. Alright, guys, so here it is. It's very, very fluffy. It's barely even orange anymore. And it actually kind of like overactivated. I don't know if you guys can see, but it doesn't really stretch anymore. Like, yeah, it's very rippy. But it is super duper fluffy, and I actually like it a lot, and I cannot wait. I'm gonna put this in a bowl, and I'm gonna let this like just, you know, clear up, because when you put shaving cream and clear slime, it actually makes it into kind of like a pigment looking slime. It's really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna try and let this clear up, and it seems very interesting. I really wanna know what's gonna happen to this slime, guys. Alright, next we're gonna do, guys, is this neon green one. Yeah, neon green. This is another one of my favorites. It's very nice. Reminds me exactly of like green apple. Alright, next we're gonna do, guys, is glitter! You guys love glitter, so I decided to make like a Christmas themed slime type deal. So I'm gonna put in green and red. So let's put the green. So usually I'll put like probably half of that usually, but now I'm gonna put like this much. That's a lot. And then for this one, I'd probably put like that much. No, like half of that. And then now I'm gonna put like this much. All right, let's see what this turns into. All right, you know what? We're gonna go really big, guys, actually. We're gonna put even more. All right, let's see what happens, guys. These are. Okay. This is so sizzly, guys. Okay, I don't even think it can hold any more glitter. I'm trying to put it in, but it's not sucking it up. Alright guys, so here it is. Let's go ahead and stretch it. But first, we're gonna do like my challenge. You guys have to press the like button and the subscribe button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Were you able to do it? Let's get back to the slime. Anyways, guys, here is the slime. Let's crack it, or stretch it, I mean. Whoa, it's so pretty. It is filled with glitter, guys. It actually leaves glitter on the table when you put it. You can see all that. It's funny. It's kind of a bit rippy, but overall it's pretty good. I like it. It's very nice. See, there's like a lot of glitter. It's literally just glitter. And it's like sizzly. Not as crackalacky as like normal regular clear glue, but like, yeah, I think it's because it's like, it's not very crackalacky or sizzly because of the store-bought slime, but it's pretty good. I like it. It's pretty good. Alright guys, next we're gonna do is this neon pink slime. There's still glitter all over the table, guys. Also, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I love like literally all the neon slimes. Anyway, so for this one, we're gonna be doing glue. Oh, I just got this from Amazon, guys. This is not sponsored, by the way, but anyway, I just got this from Amazon and I'm so in love with it because usually when I have my bags, like they get everywhere, and you guys know that already because you've seen me. But like, I get so mad because it wastes the foam bead. But this, I finally found a container that has like a little nozzle right here, and it's so freaking cute, and I love it so much. I just had to share it with you guys. Anyway, so let's just go ahead and put the foam beads. So we'll put like probably that much I'd usually put, maybe even less, because I don't like to put that much when I put foam beads. But now we're gonna put like this much. Yes. Oh, that was so much better than the bags. I'm already loving it. That's like my first time using it. Oh, these foam beads are weird. They're like harder than usual, but I like them. Oh my gosh, this is actually so nice. This is so pretty and like so much nicer than I expected. Whoa. Whoever knew that crazy art would be so good with foam beads? Whoa, guys, this actually turned so nice. I cannot believe this. It mixed in so well. I thought it was gonna be like hard because you know the store-bought slime is a bit harder. But like, look at it. I'm gonna try and put more at least. There, that's good. Whoa. Okay, I really love this one, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna add more. I added like 2 times the pile of that the first time. Alright guys, here it is. It's super crunchy now. Oh my god, that's so crackalacky. Crunchy. Alright, we're gonna add even more, guys. We're gonna see what happens with that. And sprinkles. Alright guys, there is a lot of foam beads in this thing. Like, I added so many and I think I can add more still. Alright guys, now it is super crunchy. It's super foamy. It's so crunchy now, guys. Alright guys, that is time for slime smoothie time! Let's go ahead and mix these now. These look interesting. This is actually really satisfying, guys. This is going interesting. I didn't add a lot of the glitter one because I didn't want it to get overpowered, but like, geez, you guys see how much glitter there is in with that tiny piece? No, I like it. It's cool. You guys make sure to comment down below which one you like the best. I think I like the fluffy one and the blown one. I really like those two. And that is all so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!